When we are buried in the grave, it is telling us that the grave that we have has no electricity, has no natural gas, has no internet, no Wi-Fi connection, no air conditioning, no heat. All we have is our body and our deeds. If our deeds are righteous in this world, we will be in paradise. Our grave will be one of the garden of paradise. If our deeds are bad, our deeds are the deeds as most of our deeds are today, then our grave will be a pot of hellfire. And then we will have no choice but to live in that pot of hellfire till the day of resurrection, till the day of judgment. And on the day of judgment, we will be placed in eternal hellfire. So then all we can do is regret. We will have no choice but to regret. But this is the time, today is the time that we act upon and we reevaluate our position and we fix our deeds. No matter you are a rich person, you are a king, you are a president, no matter you live in a palace, in a castle, your grave is the same. The size of the grave does not change. You go in the same grave where everybody goes. If you live in a hut, you go in the same size grave. If you live in a palace, you go in a same size grave. The action that will be performed by the dust on your body in this earth will be same. And it will treat you only according to your deeds. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning again and again in his various religious scriptures that this world is Darul Imtihan, not Darul Jaza. So if we pass through this examination center with flying colors, then we are going to paradise. If we fail in this exam and we fall for the prey of devil and we act according to the wishes of devil and we fall prey to our worldly desires, then our grave will be a pot of hellfire only. And no one can rescue us from the punishment of our Lord Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There is no second chance. So we all need to improve our daily life and we have to live our life according to the guidance of our Lord Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our one God, and live our life according to the policy and procedure manual provided by our Lord Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as our one religion. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.
بكت عيني بكت عيني بكت عيني على ذنبي وما لاقيت من كربي فيا ذلي ويا خجلي إذا ما قال لي ربي أما استحييته تعصيني ولا